Hello again. In this video, we will learn the grammatical term perfect participle. We have different kinds of participle. The perfect participle is the verb form that shows an action completed before another action. We have present participle, past participle. They have different uses, but the perfect participle shows that the work took place before another action. The time may be present, past, or future. What is the formation? Let's also learn. In order to form the perfect participle, we use having plus past participle, that is the third form of verb. For example, having finished his homework, this is the first thing or the first work he did. He went out to play. Here, he went out to play is the second work. Having finished his homework, this is the first work, and this first work, having finished is the perfect participle. So having finished his homework, he went out to play. So this is the first thing is a perfect participle. Second example is having eaten breakfast. This is the first work and it is indicated by the third form of the verb eaten. So eaten is here the perfect participle. She started her work. This is the second work. But the first work that was done or is done, that is called perfect participle. The last example is having been warned. Here been is used because here perfect participle is used in a passive form. But this work happened first. So having been warned, they took precautions. So this is all about the perfect participle, the verb form that shows that the work took place before another action. I hope